Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialu.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A question I get a lot is, what should I post on LinkedIn? What type of content does well on LinkedIn? So let's find out inside this video. All right, so here we go. I know we all have heard this before, that video is the king. We should create video content and nothing else. No links, no posts, no text, no images, just because video has grown so much. And I do agree with the rise of video. But one thing I love to do is testing. So forget about the stat, forget about what other people are doing or saying. You can easily test what type of content works on, let's say, your LinkedIn for your personal brand or your business. So let me quickly show you to answer that question. And by the way, before we jump into the demo, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. That way you'll get notification when I release the next video. This channel is all about marketing hacks and experiments. All right, so what I want to show you, here I am logged into my LinkedIn. So let's go to my profile. And basically we're gonna see what type of content has been doing well for me. Is it the video or is it the other type of content? So super interesting data I want to show with you or share with you. All right, so I clicked on the all activity and then I'm gonna go to post. So this is all the stuff that I have posted recently. There you go. So here's something I just posted a few hours ago. So I'm gonna skip that and go to the previous post. So here is a post. This is the text only post, no video, no image, and it has 6 comments, pretty decent, and 542 views. So let's go down. Here is another piece of content. So super simple, just a couple of lines, but they're super relevant to my audience. And I believe this post was also trending in the hashtag social media. Look at this, almost 8,000 views, no image and no video. And then let's go to the next one. So this is a video, so pretty decent, almost 1,400 views on this video. This is a video content. Here is another content piece, no image, it's just a text-based content, and almost 1,500 views. Image, 540 views. Here is the images, so 3,600 views. Text only 1,200, text only 2,000, almost 3,000. Video 3,700. Here is another video, not that many, almost 600 views. Image 400. Here is another video, 1,000. Another video, 1,300. All right, all that data, but let's come back to the point I want to make in this video. So you can clearly see some of my text updates, look at this, and also image updates. They have more reach and engagement as compared to my video content, right? So we know there's a lot of data, a lot of experts, a lot of gurus talk about the importance of video, and I agree with them. Video is super important because as users and as consumers, we love consuming video content. But that doesn't mean the other type of content is dead. You should always be experimenting with different types of content on your LinkedIn, even on Facebook, Instagram, and other marketing channels. So 2 things I would leave you with. One is ABT. Always be testing. So test your content formats and see what works best for you and your business. You don't have to listen to other people. You don't have to just rely on the data. You can do your own testing. And number 2 is always, instead of focusing more on the format of your content, focus on the value that you can deliver inside your content and how can you make it more engaging to your audience. Because as you can clearly see, a lot of people will say the text posts are dead or images don't do as well as the videos, but that's not clearly true when it comes to my specific account on LinkedIn. So you can easily do your own testing and see what works best for your business. All right, that's it for this video. Make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I launch my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.